Whoever never used toothpaste to heal a pimple, throw the first stone. Just like me. I bet you have also tried putting some toothpaste over a zit to get rid of it. Right? In today's video, you will see 8 different uses for toothpaste. Toothpaste is an item that is never missing at our homes and is essential for our oral hygiene. But did you know that besides whitening and cleaning the teeth, it can also be used in other ways? Check out some uses for toothpaste and how it can help you. Glass cleaner mirrors, shower doors, and windows get dirty quick. Use some toothpaste and a sponge to clean it. Let the toothpaste sit for a while on the glass, then rinse. Clean your keyboard and phone screen. Use a soft cloth with some toothpaste and water. Once the keys are dry, remove the toothpaste with a damp cloth. You can also use toothpaste to get rid of small scratches on your phone screen. Remove strong smells. Garlic, onion, fish, and other foods can leave an unpleasant smell on our hands. There are even some fruits and vegetables that make our hands smell. Spread some toothpaste on your hands and fingers, wait a few minutes, then rinse. Enjoying the video? Then give it a like and share it with your friends to help the channel. Clean silver jewelry with a brush. Spread toothpaste over the jewelry and let it stay for a whole night. In the morning, clean with a damp cloth. Remove burnt spots from clothes irons. These burn spots on clothes iron are bothersome, since they may even spot the clothes. Rub the area with a brush and some toothpaste until clean. Removes hair dye stains. If you stained your clothes, or even yourself while dyeing your hair, apply some toothpaste on the spots, and the stains will come out easily. To avoid this kind of stains, apply some toothpaste on your ears, forehead, and neck before dyeing your hair. If your hair is long, spread some toothpaste over your shoulders and back. You don't need to use a whole tube, just a little bit is enough. Eliminates bad smells from teapots. With time, teapots start smelling unpleasant. Use a brush and some toothpaste to clean the inside of your teapot, then rinse with water. You can do it to all your kitchen containers, bottles, and even empty shampoo or cream bottles. Removes stains. Some stains are almost impossible to remove. You can try applying some toothpaste over the stain and rub it vigorously. Makes your nails shiny. Toothpaste also works to clean and strengthen your nails. Rub some toothpaste on your nails with a brush. Shoe cleaner. If your shoes are made of plastic, use a brush to rub some toothpaste in them to clean. This trick is ideal for kids' school shoes since they always come back super dirty. Using toothpaste is a huge help since you don't need to wash the shoes and wait for them to dry. All you need to do is use a brush with some toothpaste, and it will be as good as new.